Welcome to the EFLstar.com Advanced Vocabulary Tutorial, Lesson A, Part 4. Ameliorate, to make or become better, more bearable, or more satisfactory. Amenable, ready or willing to answer, act, agree, or yield, open to influence, persuasion, or advice. Amicable, characterized by or showing goodwill, friendly, peaceable, and amicable settlement. Amity, friendship, peaceful harmony, mutual understanding, and a peaceful relationship. Amorous, inclined or disposed to love, showing or expressing love. Amorphous, lacking definite form, having no specific shape. Formless, having no pattern or structure. Unorganized. Amortes, to end a debt by setting aside money. Amour, a love affair, an illicit or secret love affair. Amphibious, able to live both on land and in water, belonging to both land and water. Amphitheater, an oval or round building with tiers of seats around a central open area. Amplitude, largeness, greatness of extent. Abundance. Anachronism, a person or artifact appearing after its own time or out of chronological order. Anagram, a word, phrase, or sentence formed from another by rearranging its letters. Analogous, having analogy, corresponding in some particular. Analogy, a similarity between like features of two things, on which a comparison may be based. Anathema, a person or thing detested or loathed. A curse. Anecdote, a short account of a particular incident or event of an interesting or amusing nature. Anemometer, any instrument for measuring the speed of wind. Anguish, excruciating or acute distress, suffering or pain. Angular, of, pertaining to, or measured by an angle. Anhydrous, with all water removed. Animadvert, to comment unfavorably or critically. Animosity, a feeling of strong dislike, ill will, or enmity. Annalist, a chronicler of events, a historian. Annals, a record of events. A periodical publication containing the formal reports of an organization or learned field. Annex, to attach, append, or add, especially to something larger or more important. Annotate, to supply with critical or explanatory notes, to comment upon in notes. Annuity. A specified income payable at stated intervals for a fixed or a contingent period. Anomalous. Peculiar, unique, contrary to the norm. Anomaly. A deviation from the common rule, type, arrangement, or form. Antecede. To go before, in time, order, rank, etc. Antechamber. A chamber or room that serves as a waiting room and entrance to a larger room or an apartment. Antedate. To be of older date than, to proceed in time, to cause to happen sooner. Antediluvian. Very old-fashioned or out of date, antiquated, primitive. Antemeridian. Occurring before noon. Anterior. Situated before or at the front of, going before in time or sequence, preceding. Anthology. A collection of works by one author or musical artist. Anthropomorphic. Ascribing human form or attributes to a being or thing not human, resembling or made to resemble a human form. Antidote. Something that prevents or counteracts injurious or unwanted effects. Antilogy. A contradiction in terms of ideas. Antipathy. A natural, basic, or habitual repugnance, aversion, dislike. Antiquary. An expert on, collector, or student of antiquities. Antiquate. To make obsolete, old-fashioned, or out of date by replacing with something newer or better. Please visit us at www.eflstar.com.